That's not normally open. What? Oh well. I don't feel so good. So there's this guy called Potato Jet on YouTube, and he made a video where he got his editor really drunk and they used an actual Snorricam type thing. If you don't know what one of those is, it's like this rig that holds your camera steady in front of your head, and when you move, the camera just keeps you in the frame. It's made famous in films like Lock, Stock, Requiem for a Dream, Get Him to the Greek, but basically it sort of makes it look like you're intoxicated. And I want to recreate that without spending money, so let's do it. Great B-roll, but where's the freaking key? So yeah, I did eventually find the key, but that is how I did it, with a tripod, a belt, and because the belt was broken, a padlock. Thanks very much. Try things out yourself and keep learning.